In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix not working on your smart TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing that you want to do is open up Netflix. And if it's not working, for example, it could be freezing a lot, it could be really frustrating. So what you want to do once it's open is go to the left, go to your little profile icon, and then just click Get Help. Now from here, you can do a lot of different things. You can basically check on your Wi-Fi, see how it's connected, whether it's, using a wire or if it's wireless, because obviously a wired connection is going to give you more speed. So if you're buffering a lot, it could be because of your Wi-Fi and your internet connection. Another thing you can do is also reload Netflix, and reload Netflix basically means it's going to give it a complete reset. It's still going to keep you signed in and everything, but it's going to reset everything, like all the cache and all of that stuff. And once you open it again, it should work more smoothly. And the final thing that I would recommend is just, switching your entire TV off and then on again, seeing if that works, because that's just going to reset everything on your TV, including Netflix. And the final thing that I would recommend is you can also just long press on the Netflix application. You can remove the app and then go to install it again, which will just give it a complete reset, and then see if that works. And then after that, you should be good to go.